One day, Grey Mouse felt blue. She was bored and lonely, and she was tired of being grey. So she chose a bright color to cheer herself up. Maybe Ghost will play with me now, Grey Mouse thought, but Ghost just giggled. Grey Mouse tried green, but Frog laughed loudly. Ha 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 ha! Yellow is not a happy color, Grey Mouse decided. Maybe polka dots will work, but the ladybugs flew away. Stripes felt silly when Zebra starts to snigger. Finally, Grey Mouse tried flowers, and the bees did not laugh or fly away. They flew straight forward to her. Bzzz, bzzz. Grey Mouse ran as fast as she could, right into the water. The bees were gone, but Grey Mouse was grayer than ever and just as blue. "Hi," said a squeaky little voice. "Hi," said another. "Hello," said another. "And let's play," said some other. And Grey Mouse was still grey, but she did not feel blue anymore.